with shorts, but it's okay. Hopefully I have time to get coffee. Okay, we just finished class. This is where you can see where school is, but I don't know what we're about to do. But finally out, y podemos empezar con el fin de semana porque terminamos en el jueves, que me gusta mucho. Entonces sí.
Hola. Hola, how are you?
Bien, y tú? Pues
Muy bien.
cansada.
Cansada. Clase was great, but cansada. Hay mucho de escribirlo.
Sí, y yo tuve que dar la bandera blanca.
La bandera blanca.
Look, this Jimi Hendrix one is only €19.95. Guys, look how cute this little bakery is. I'm dying. These ones are so cute. Yo, this is so good. It's sea salt caramel. Look at this. But look at the ceiling here. Kind of feel bad getting like a New York style food like here while I'm in Spain, but I feel like it's almost like New York French. Super cute, kind of down. So just live my best life at this point, basically. Okay, ellos tienen tienda de ¿qué es?
Joyería.
Joyería.
It's a jewelry store, so joyería.
Joyería, whatever.
Joyería.
Joyería, no sé, no
Okay.
puedo decirlo, pero pienso que voy a comprar algo porque es muy barato y me gusta cosas baratos, de verdad. taking videos, but I just bought a whole bunch of souvenirs. And yeah, it was really cute. People are really nice. Super cute.
Dance, Lou! Look at Lou dancing. She got that Barcelona fever.
Oh, me gusta mucho, de verdad. Y eso dice como Barcelona en una manera muy diferente y bonita, como una cosa de arte, pero estoy muy emocionada. Okay. a long stay, but just
Friends who are like
it's very pretty.
so like.
So my plan to walk home has ultimately failed because I got turned around. So now I'm gonna try to catch the metro if I can find it. But a lot of cool stores. I made it home. I'm very happy. So I'm gonna show my room because there's a light right by my bed and I kind of stand. Cause I did this before, but I got deleted. So this is my room. It's my laundry bag, towels, bed, shoes, obviously, fan, nightstands / stuff. My closet. The basics, basically. If I want to work there, I can. This is probably the best part of my room because it comes right out here. Es algo bueno y también es algo malo porque cualquier persona, whoever wants to come, puede entrar para pues dormitorio, cuarto, lo que sea. And so yeah, I was basically just saying it's kind of bittersweet because anybody can come to my room and go back here. So like, it's kind of like that's why all my stuff's like taken away. But it's muy bonito. Es que hay no sé cómo se dice, like construction, pero sí es muy bonito. La cosa mala es que no puedo quedar aquí por mucho tiempo porque hay muchos mosquitoes y ellos me pican. So yeah, unless I want all the mosquitoes to drain all the blood out of my body, I can't be out here for too long because the plants like attract them. But yeah, very fun and fresh. Okay, so currently getting ready to go out. Kind of scared to put on my makeup because I feel like there's still a chance that plans could get canceled, which you don't want to waste makeup, like, and not go out. But if we do go out, we're gonna go to a bachata, like it's a club called Mojito, and they dance bachata and salsa, and like tonight's like bachata night, and you also get free tonight. But I feel like everybody else has been going out like every night, and that's not my cup of tea. And this is the first night I want to go out, and of course tonight's the night that nobody else wants to go out because they've been out every night. And I'm like, cool. So that's my life. But yeah, I'm hoping that at least a couple people still want to go because I really want to go for free, and I know that people so far that are going don't drink too much, which makes me feel better about going with them. So yeah, we shall see if I am going out or if I'm wasting makeup.